Guys, have you ever wondered how some edits look incredibly sharp, detailed, and almost like they're in 8K quality? Just like this. Crazy difference, right? Today, I'm going to show you the exact method I use to transform normal footage into high-quality, ultra-detailed edits in just a few clicks, and that too in very small file size. I used Wondershare UniConverter to transform low-quality clips into incredibly sharp, high-quality footage that almost looks like it's been enhanced to 8K quality. Also, as a bonus for all of you, I'm giving away my brand new 4K quality CC completely free. Before going to the tutorial, make sure to download UniConverter. The latest version link is in my description. Let's get started. First, download the latest Wondershare UniConverter from the link in the description. This new update comes with powerful AI tools that can enhance your videos and make them look much sharper in just one click. Now open After Effects and create a new adjustment layer. After that, apply my famous Premium Bright 4K CC. I've already provided the download link in the description. Also, make sure to check out my brand new free 4K CC pack, which I've uploaded recently. Once you're done, open Wondershare UniConverter that you downloaded from my link. Wondershare has just released a brand new update. With the power of its latest AI enhancement tools, it's now easier than ever to improve video quality and give your footage a much more professional look in just a few clicks. UniConverter comes packed with many other powerful features that can save you time and improve your editing workflow. Now let me show you how to enhance your video quality to 8K step by step. Now open the Video Enhancer tool and import the footage that you just exported from After Effects using my CC. You can upload multiple clips at once because Wondershare UniConverter supports batch processing, which means you can enhance several videos together in a single click. As you can see, there are many AI enhancement options available here. Quality restoration helps improve the overall quality of your videos. Face enhancement increases facial details and makes faces look much clearer. If you create anime edits, there's also an anime enhancement feature. You also get tools like night scene enhancement, denoise to remove unwanted noise, and color enhancement to improve colors automatically. All of these features use powerful AI models to improve your footage in just a few clicks. For this video, I'm going to use face enhancement to make my edit look much sharper and more detailed. I'm selecting 2x enhancement, but if you want even more detail, you can also try 4x. One thing I really like is that you can see a live before and after preview before exporting your final video. Let's see the results, and there we go. You can clearly see the difference in this before and after preview. The clip looks much sharper, cleaner, and more detailed with just one click. This is exactly how I enhance the quality of my edits. Once you're happy with the result, simply click Export and save your enhanced clip. As you can see, UniConverter is more than just a video enhancer. It's an all-in-one software packed with powerful AI tools that can help creators save both time and storage. Now let's see how we can reduce video file sizes without losing noticeable quality because, as you know, edited videos can take up a lot of storage. For that, open the Compressor tool. Then import the clips that you want to compress. You can add multiple files at once thanks to the batch processing feature, which saves a lot of time. Once your clips are imported, click on the Reduce File Size option. Now you can choose how much you want to compress your video by simply adjusting the slider. As you can see, my file is over 1 GB, but I can significantly reduce its size while still maintaining great quality. For this example, I'll keep it around 20 to 25%. Once you've selected your preferred size, click Export, and that's it. Your videos will be compressed into much smaller files, making them easier to upload, share, and store without sacrificing quality. So guys, if you want to enhance your videos, compress large files, and use all these amazing AI-powered tools in one place, make sure to download the latest Wondershare UniConverter using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.